Top tips for earning money from a side hustle. This video will provide some advice on how to earn money. 1. Rent your car. Consider renting out your car when it's not in use. Turo, hire car, are designed for renting vehicle. 2. Online coaching or consulting services to assist others. 3. Invest in real estate. 5. Start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel could bring in extra money. 6. Monetize your home or room with Airbnb. 7. Sell products online. Every day, millions of individuals shop online like Amazon. Online sales hit $8,708 billion in 2021, U.S. Census Bureau. Selling used items on social media. 8. Work as a freelancer. Freelance employment an excellent side business. Here are a few instances of freelance work. Writing blogs, newsletters, social media posts, articles. Manage client social media and other services. Become a virtual assistant agent. 9. Create a paid newsletter or subscription service. Subscriptions, memberships, and paid newsletters. 10. Use affiliate marketing to promote different brands. Affiliate marketing by promoting products. 11. Rent out specific rooms in your house. 12. Learn how to fix appliance side business. Apply for repair employment with companies like Samsung. 13. Help high school students with their exam preparation. Tutoring in high school or college. 14. Renting out your pool or other non-real estate assets. You may rent out your backyard pool through Swimply. 15. Market the clothes you already have in your closet. Your unworn clothes may be able to earn you money. Poshmark, online marketplace to buy, sell, used clothing. Thank you for watching.